really a groundbreaking moment for Lahore, and I hope it's a harbinger for expansion of this initiative across Punjab. So it's a very good starting point, um, and my felicitations to you and your team for this groundbreaking date. Although ये एक stated word है, मेरे हिसाब से there are person with special abilities, and this is the way we need to look at and treat them. It's a bold declaration that every individual, regardless of their abilities, deserves the right to access financial services, participate in the economy, and shape their own futures with the dignity and independence. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start by acknowledging the reality that there is an urgent need for inclusion. In Pakistan, millions of individuals with challenges of varied facets continue to face barriers of access to resources, opportunities, and financial tools they need in fulfilling lives. Whether it is the lack of accessible infrastructure, societal biases, or technological hurdles, the challenges are significant, but they are not insurmountable. And now PDP has proven it. इनकी एफर्ट जो लास्ट 16 ईयर्स की रही है, उससे ये बात बिल्कुल आया हो गई है। ये ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको हम ओवरकम नहीं कर सकते। इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ वी आर ऑल कमिंग टुगेदर एंड इन मेकिंग एन एफर्ट टुवर्ड्स इट। इसको जरा डिफरेंट तरीके से देखना पड़ेगा। ये स्पेशल लोग हैं जिन जो हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की जरूरत है, बिकॉज जब ये हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में आते हैं तो हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का पूरा कल्चर चेंज हो जाता है। हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो हैं उसके अंदर रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर शुरू हो जाती है बाय डिफॉल्ट। उसके अंदर थिंकिंग चेंज हो जाती है और जो पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं वो डिफरेंट आने शुरू कर देते हैं। जिस किस्म की कंपेरेटिव वर्ल्ड में हम रह रहे हैं उसमें जब तक आप इनोवेशन नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स नहीं सोचेंगे, और वो सिर्फ उस वक्त हो सकता है व्हेन यू हैव एन इंक्लूसिव एनवायरनमेंट विद इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। अगर इंक्लूसिविटी नहीं होगी तो यू विल ऑलवेज हैव अ बीटिंग। तो ये कोई आप फेवर नहीं कर रहे, ये आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फेवर कर रहे हैं, ये आप अपनी ग्रोथ को और अपने फ्यूचर की ग्रोथ को सस्टेनेबल बना रहे बाय बाय ऑफरिंग opportunities to people with special abilities. By French intellectual Jean Monnet said that people only accept change in necessity, and the necessity only comes in crisis. The need for financial inclusion is no longer just a goal; it's a necessity, a responsibility we cannot postpone in our beloved country. In this rapidly changing world, where economic growth and technological advancements are reshaping societies, we cannot leave anyone behind. जिस तरह मैं आपसे शुरू में भी कह रहा था. For too long, financial sector has remained inaccessible to many, and to date, they still are. We are working in that direction. हमारी कोशिश है कि हम एज एन इंडस्ट्री चीज़ों को आगे लेके चलें, मगर अभी भी बहुत लंबा रास्ता है जो हमें कवर करना है. But financial inclusion is not just about banking or monetary services. It is about autonomy, dignity, and participation. It is about ensuring that everyone has the freedom and tool to contribute to society and reap the benefits of economic development. At the Bank of Punjab, we see financial inclusion as more than just a corporate social initiative. It is a cornerstone of our mission to build an inclusive and equitable economy, and our action speaks louder than word alone. देखिए ये इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव स्पेशली कंट्री लाइक पाकिस्तान में पॉसिबल नहीं है अगर आप इसको रन करने की कोशिश करेंगे एज CSR. दिस इज मच बियॉन्ड CSR, और वो जो माइंडसेट और थिंकिंग है हमें वो चेंज करनी पड़ेगी कि ये CSR नहीं है, ये हमारी नेसेसिटी और नीड है। जिस तरह मैंने पहले भी कहा, जब तक आप वो नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप इसको एम्बेड नहीं करेंगे इनटू योर सिस्टम, you will never be able to overcome this need for equal opportunity. Over the last few years, we have worked tirelessly to address the barriers that keep persons with special abilities from fully accessing financial services, from physical accessibility to the branches. So we have to work with you as industry to see how we can make it more realistic than the way they are right now. एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली, जिस तरह मैंने पहले भी आपसे कहा और मैं इसको री एम्फेसाइज करना चाहता हूँ, वो एटीट्यूडनल चेंज है इन द वर्क फोर्स. Attitudinal change to accept people with different abilities, their strengths and weaknesses, and capitalizing on them, rather than making this into, वो जो अभी बच्ची बता रही थी कि उसको ये कहा गया कि ये एक तुम्हारी वीकनेस है. ये वीकनेस नहीं है, एक्चुअली ये स्ट्रेंथ है, और हमें उसको उस तरह ही देखना पड़ेगा और उसको इम्बेड करना पड़ेगा इन आवर सिस्टम. वी बिलीव that when an institution includes person with special abilities in the workforce and integrates inclusion as core organizational tenet, it sends a very strong message to the entire society. As financial inclusion cannot be achieved by one institution alone, it requires collective action, a coming together of organizations, policymakers, and corporate entities. Our partnership with Now PDP, as well as with other such organizations, and particularly with the government of Punjab, reflects our belief that collaboration is key to driving systemic change. Now PDP's remarkable work through their guiding pillars, which we just saw in the video, has already impacted lives of over 100,000 people across country. We share the larger vision that a Pakistan where no one is left behind. Ladies and gentlemen, achieving true financial inclusion requires us to rethink, redesign, and reimagine. It requires us to embrace the famous economist Joseph Schumpeter says, creative destruction, where the old ways of doing things are replaced with new and better solutions. The barriers and the mindset, मैं दोबारा इसको रिपीट करता हूँ, बैरियर जो है ना वो माइंडसेट की सूरत में ज्यादा है. माइंडसेट that excludes person with special abilities must be dismantled and inclusive systems must take their place. Let me conclude with a simple but powerful idea. Inclusion is not charity. मैं दोबारा इसको emphasize करूंगा, बार बार कहूंगा. Inclusion is not charity, it is justice. It is not a favor, it's a fundamental human right. And it is not an end goal, but a continuous journey. To the team at Now PDP, congratulations on this remarkable initiative. And to everyone here today, let us commit ourselves to the shared mission. Let us work together to build a Pakistan where financial inclusion is not privilege, but a universal reality. Thank you very much.